Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves.
Welcome to another hair video. My name is Michelle. If you are new here, and if so, be sure to subscribe because y'all are gonna have fun over here. I have lots of content from hair, weight loss, makeup, lifestyle, vlogs, all that good stuff. So be sure to check out some of my other content. But jumping right on into the video, you guys. Y'all, we gotta do something with this hair, okay? We have to do something with it because it is not giving what I need it to give, okay? If you don't know this about me and just straight middle part long black hair, it don't mesh, because I feel like I'm giving very much cousin it. I'm giving The Grudge. I'm giving ungroomed dog, okay? I'm not giving what I feel like I could give, okay? This is just giving me boring. I kind of have a vision for what I want to do, but I'm not even gonna tell y'all what it is, because if it don't turn out right, you know. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I started off with this unit parted straight down the middle. This is a closure unit. All the details on it will be down below as always, and I will probably give you guys a little bit of a review at the end. But for right now, I do have your hair in the middle part. I'm just going to be parting my hair down the sides, and basically I'm trying to get a part from like the crown of my head straight down to the back of my ear. It does not have to be perfect. I mean, I need to stop telling y'all that, because if you want your hair to be perfect, then yeah, it does need to be perfect. But I just don't stress myself. And you're gonna do that on both sides. Make sure you are starting at the same point. I will say that needs to kind of be perfect. So let me pin this up really quickly, and then I am going to secure the rest of the hair just back behind me. Oh, can y'all see my kitchen? Oh, child, it's probably a little nappy back there, not gonna lie to you. Okay, so now that I have this section off, these two sections are going to be where my layers are. I actually cut this hair into two sections, so you're gonna want to, I'm doing it about at the arch of my eyebrow or at the end of the frontal. That might be easier for you guys to decipher. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side again to about the edge of my eyebrow or the edge of the frontal. Now, like I said, these right here are going to be your longest layers. I'm not like super anal about my hair, but if your hair is a little bit more curly than this, I would definitely suggest making sure your hair is like as straight as possible, because you will get your hair like a more even cut. But like I said, it's not really a worry for me. So now what I'm going to do is take this bottom section, and I am just going to twist it and then take the comb and just razor down. So here, I have to kind of redo it, but twist it a couple times and razor down. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite side and get it basically to match up with that side. Trying to do this in the camera is very difficult, because like honestly it's not natural for me to try to do it in the camera, so I don't want to end up like messing up my hair trying to catch this on camera for y'all. All right, okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to put these pieces behind my head, behind my shoulders, and I'm going to do the top two pieces. Again, twist and just go. So twist and go. so now we have layers in the hair, and I'm gonna let all of the hair free. And you can kind of see here we have these shorter pieces. We have the absolute short in the front, then this midsection, then this section. Hopefully y'all can see that, and then the very bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3, or it's gonna be like 3 layers of, including the very bottom layer, you have 4 layers of hair if you're doing the technique that I did. Okay. Now onto the styling. Once everything is cut, I might do a little bit more cutting after I style my hair. Okay, so to style my hair, I'm going to be using this Hot Tools Professional curling iron. I believe this is 1.5 inches. I believe. Please, I hope it is, but I'm gonna link it down below in my Amazon store. And then I'm also going to be using just this pressing comb by Home Food. Baby, I don't know the name. I just got this from the beauty supply. Okay, so I like to press my hair first, get that really good flat. Typically I do this with my install, but I installed my wig in my room, and so this was in my bathroom, or in this bathroom. Okay, now in addition to the curling iron, you are going to need some flexi rods. I am using the deep purple ones, and these I believe are bigger than the gray ones. I feel like the gray ones are like the standard that everyone has. These are, I believe, slightly larger. You will not need this many, I'm sure, but I just grabbed a bunch just in case. So what I'm gonna do is start off by just sectioning the bottom of my hair. What you're gonna do is take just a little section. It actually doesn't need to be that small. I'm probably gonna break this section down into, I really only want to do 2. Okay, yeah, I'm only gonna break it down into 2 sections, y'all. Whatever. Break it down into 2 sections. And I am just going to curl the bottom half of my hair. So, ooh. Okay, the hair is a little bit silkier than I thought after I straightened it. Okay, so the hair was slipping out of the curling iron too many times. I'm not about to play with this hair. So I just went ahead and took the full section. Yep. These curls are gonna be bigger than I thought. But it's cool. It's gonna work. It's gonna work itself out. Honestly, because I only curled the ends, you do not have to take the hair that high up. But that is what I'm choosing to do. Just because it's easier for the flexi rod to stay in my hair when I do that.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space.
I worried for nothing. This came out, I think, literally exactly how I wanted it to. Of course, I gotta like brush it out, but yeah, this is what I was going for, love. This is what your girl was going for. Okay, that one actually did not turn out right, but it's okay. Okay. So I'm not gonna brush these out just yet, but this is what it looks like fresh up out the what is these called? Fresh up out of the flexi rods, okay? But yeah, I'm not gonna comb it out just yet because I want to go take pictures and I want my hair to last, okay? Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm saying? I just love effortlessly curls, like y'all. I love these curls. Okay, all right, I'm done making y'all listen to me jibber jabber about my hair. You guys get the point. I like it, I love it. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications, and check some of my other content out. Also follow me on Instagram at Michaela Michelle. Okay, bye.